Hey, this is Molly from Just a Little Creativity. This video is going to show you how I made a Rae Dunn inspired planter box for my cactus using a box I found at the thrift store. Because Rae Dunn decor is white, first I painted the box using General Finishes chalk style paint and chalk white. The first coat of white always looks whitewashed, but the second coat or third coat will give you enough coverage. Next, I searched online for a Rae Dunn font that I liked, and I found one at defont.com called Skinny. I printed my word, cactus, and then I used carbon paper under it to trace the letters. This particular style is very imperfect, which is actually a little hard for me because I like to have all of my lines just right. But that's also what I like about her decor. It gets me out of my comfort zone. I just used a black Sharpie on the letters, but you can also use a paint pen. Not too bad for a simple wooden thrift store box, right? These are fairly easy thrifty finds, but you can usually find unfinished wood boxes at craft stores and in the craft section at Walmart or Target. If you like this project and don't want to miss out on more thrifty makeovers, I'd love for you to join others just like us who love before and after projects and tutorials to help inspire you to create your own by subscribing to my email list. Thanks, y'all!